Okay guys, so what I'm thinking about doing is installing it behind the grill. Now I'm going to bolt it right on here, but you know, inverted underneath. So I'm going to go in through here. And then I'm going to go ahead and mount it up just like that. So, but this grill's got to come out. It really isn't that hard. Once you take off this this body panel right here on the top, I mean, it's pretty simple. It just pops right out. Just like that. Cool. All right. So I just got to drill my holes. Okay, there it is. You can see it through the grill. And it's mounted, those 3 bolts. And it's raining. Awesome. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and mount this, this little compressor right here. It's a pretty simple system. They give you 2 lines. I don't know why. Maybe just you need extra, I guess. But so basically what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and just mount it right here. And it comes with this big old bolt right here. It looks like you just slide it right in there like that, and then you know, drill a hole, mount it up like that, and then you're gonna run your little air line to the horn, which is this little barbed fitting right here. Right here. Should be good. Yeah, that's plenty good. Just like that. That way the line isn't kinked, you know. Cool. What I did is I ran the switch harness through that grommet. Let me show you where that's at. It's right there. You see that little circle right there? It's a rubber grommet. You can literally push your finger right through it. And I just pushed the wire right through, just like that, and that's going right into your cab. So go through the other side, get in, you know, obviously get on the ground underneath your gas pedal, pull that through, and then plug in your light switch, or your little horn switch. Okay, it's all wired up. Let's test it out. That thing is loud. guys, check it out. Let me show you. All right, so we got it under the hood, and again, guys, I'm gonna run the horn switch to it. So obviously this is temporary. I'm just gonna cut the wire and splice it, and then run an actual horn switch to it, so it's just push button. But see that? It is freaking loud. That is so cool.